Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn what SHAP is in artificial intelligence and why it helps us understand model decisions. Think of an AI model as a magic black box. We can see the input and output, but not the reasoning inside. SHAP is like a magnifying glass that shows what influenced the answer. First, the group project analogy. Imagine 4 students A, B, C, and D working on a project that gets an A+. SHAP fairly divides the credit by testing all possible team combinations. SHAP uses Shapley values from game theory. It asks, how much does the score change when a person joins or leaves the group? That change is their contribution. Now let us see how SHAP works for AI. Suppose a model predicts a house price of $500,000. SHAP breaks that number into a base value plus feature contributions. Here is the SHAP breakdown. Start with the average price of $400,000. 4 bedrooms adds $150,000. Big backyard adds $50,000. Near a noisy airport subtracts $100,000. Altogether, we get $500,000. Mathematically, SHAP writes the prediction as base value plus the sum of all feature contributions. Why does SHAP matter? First, it builds trust by explaining decisions. Second, it checks fairness and bias. Third, it helps debugging when a model focuses on the wrong clues. In short, SHAP is the why behind the what in AI. It opens the black box and assigns credit to each input feature.